Hi, good morning! So for today's recipe, we will be making tuna pasta with spinach. So yeah, very simple and easy to cook. So, napaka-cheap din. So, ito lang yung magiging ingredients natin. So, again, that's salt as usual para maging tasty yung natin, pasta. And then, the seasoning from Woolworths. So, this just to balance the taste. So, if in case maraming asin yung nalagay mo. Then, pepper. And then, oil para hindi magkadikit-dikit yung pasta. And then, tomatoes. So, yep. 4 tomatoes actually. Mas marami, mas okay. So, para mag-add ng more sweetness. And then, spinach. And then, this 2/3 of this pasta. And then, two tuna, which ang flavor niya is with lemon. So, good for 2 to 3 people na po yung gagawin natin. And then, this butter and then konting prawn. Kasi natira yan yung last time recipe na ginawa ko. So, ayan. So, first thing, we need to just boil the water. So, mga 1.5 liters ng water. So, you can just put it in the medium fire. And then, yeah, just wait it to boil. Takpan lang natin. Yep, pag boil na yung water, lagay na natin yung pasta, yung oil, at saka yung asin. And then just mix it and then wait for it na mag-boil ulit. And maging tender na yung pasta. So, maybe it will take maximum na po ng 5 minutes. Depende po kasi sa sa fire nyo kung gaano siya kalakas mag-produce ng apoy. So, mga ganyan. So, yeah, just wait for it. So, lagay mo lang ng medium fire or high fire. So, it's okay. It depends upon you. Kung nagmamadali ka, then you can just do it, like in highest fire as possible. Pero some actually said that mas okay na hindi daw takpan pag pasta niluluto. Pero, yeah, sometimes din ginagawa ko, sometimes hindi. So, yep. And then, yay! Ready to wash na yung pasta. So, i-wash mo siya hanggang hindi na siya slimy. So, depende kung ilang lalagay mo na oil. So, mga 2 to 3 wash. So, is enough already. So, basta as long as hindi na siya slimy. So, strain mo lang siya. So, ilagay sa strainer. Actually, dapat maging ganito ka-tender yung pasta. So, itry mo din siyang hiwain or kagatin. So, make sure na wala ka nang makikitang white in the middle. So, parang ganyan. Yup. Yeah, ganyan. Parang ganyan. Alright, so time to cook our tuna. So, right now, magkikit tayo ng pan and then ilagay natin yung 2 spoon ng butter. So, ayan. So, just, you can just leave it until it will melt. So, ayan. So, you can just put it in the medium fire. Right? Ganyan. And then, put tomato. So, again, mas okay na mas maraming tomato para mas malasa and mas matamis. May mas maraming tamis-tamis yung pasta nyo. So, ayan. Just, right? And then, we have the prawn. Ilagay natin yung prawn. So, again, lang kasi to, yung parang sobra. So, kung may chicken din kayo, you can just put it. But, if wala, just tuna alone, it's okay. Alright? So, ilagay na yung tuna. So, you can put also yung mga seasoning. So, yung salt, ilagay ko natin kanina. And then pepper as well as yung seasoning, a little bit of seasoning. So medyo mag-ano siya, mag-watery. So simmer just for a minute. Ganyan. Yan. And put your pasta and then mix them well. Ta-da! Ready to serve! Yay! Thank you for watching! Bye!